Hello, welcome to Gilboys channel. Now, I've been promising for some time that we're going to show you the full restoration of a piece of furniture a bit more in depth. And here it is. It's an oak pedestal desk, a roll top desk dating from around the 1900s, early 1900s. Solid oak, and it's in a hell of a state. So it's come to us from an interior designer who spotted it in a client's house. Oh, I say house, it's in a shed or a barn, and it's been severely neglected, as you can see. So I'm going to look at this now, and as I discover what we need to do to restore, you'll see it at the same time. Clearly, the first thing is this tambour unit here, this oak tambour unit. Just going to take this off. You can see the state of that. It's actually all together, it's quite good, apart from where it's obviously come apart here and separated. So we're going to have to repair this and inlay some new hessian, some new calico here to rejoin this back together. Just going to roll that up, put that to one side. So, a lot of dust and quite a lot of water. It's dried out. I think it probably looks worse than what it really is. The fitted interior, yeah, the drawers, that's come apart, but that's a case of re-gluing that back on. That should be okay. The little discrete secret pen trays here, they look like corner brackets. This one's missing its fascia. Still some keys, some nails, and a key. Oh, okay. So we're going to have to replace that. We have to make a new one for there. Yeah, so there's the lock, 4 in, which, yeah, there's the original lock for it. So we'll find the key. I think you might have one of those keys. So there doesn't appear to be too much in the way of repairs here, not really. Now the client, I know, wants this to be cleaned back and to look as natural as possible. So we've got to get rid of all of this brown colouring that's over the oak, and to reveal all that natural oak and make it as light as possible. So we're not going to repolish it back to its original colour. We're going to repolish it back to its lightest possible colour, or refinish it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to spin the whole thing around so you get to see what I'm seeing as I walk around the back of it. It's not that bad. The back of this piece is still very much the original finish that actually would clean up quite nicely. The front's taking the brunt of it. Yes, there's cobwebs. But this will all be stripped off, and any repairs will be done hopefully before we do the stripping. Hopefully we'll see them before. So first thing to do is do all the repairs, then we'll strip all the old finish off, and then we'll start looking at how we're going to finish it ready for the client how he's going to have it, which I think it's going to be a seal and a wax finish, something very, very popular these days. I don't think there is that much. Else. What's wrong with it? Well, that looks like to be the back of a, oh no, it's a divider. Maybe not. Maybe it's a divider for a deeper drawer. Yeah, so there. There is a drawer missing here. The whole section is missing a drawer. Now, I don't think we've got that, and I don't think the client's got it, so we're going to have to put something in here. You might make a false drawer face for here. And there's a lot of spiders. We don't mind spiders. So the bottom of this drawer is completely missing. It looks like it's been actually broken off because it's not a clean line here at all. It's a fracture mark all the way along there, so, or fractured timber. So we're going to have to do something there. We're going to have to replace the bottom of that drawer. Typical feature of this period sort of desk, this roll top, it will have these pull-out sections here for additional writing surface. So you can be sat here and then have additional area for things. Both sides will have them. This double drawer, oh, this has got a lot. So this looks like it's parts of this drawer. Figure out where they go. Lots of dividers. Some more paperwork. Receipts, newspapers. A receipt from 1979. It's quite a lot of money actually. £3,395.25. I don't know what it was for, but 1979, that was quite a lot of money. Don't think it'd be for this desk. Don't think it'd be that much. 1979, you could probably buy a flat. Probably a flat or a small house for that money. Right, let's get going on it. So, I think that's it for the first one. There's your introductory video. Next one you will see me carrying out the repairs. To follow the restoration progress of this lovely desk, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button just there. Also hit the notification bell. That will notify you each time we upload a new video, and you can follow the progress of our restoration work.